A day after Karnataka reported 8,906 COVID cases, the most in a day since mid-June, the Congress launched a 10-day protest march over a drinking water project that drew a crowd of thousands in defiance of pandemic protocols, including the use of face masks and maintaining social distancing. The march, titled Namma Neeru Namma Hakku or Our Water Our Right, was led by leader of opposition Siddaramaiah and State Congress Chief D.K. Shivkumar, who told NDTV, "There is no corona, no disease. We are walking for water. The BJP government wants to stop us, but there is no coronavirus, no disease here. They simply imposed Section 144 and said no one can enter this area," Mr. Shivkumar told NDTV. Moving on to the next news, Prime Minister Narendra Modi held a high-level meeting this evening to review the COVID situation in the country. The meeting comes amid a frightening surge in daily new cases. This morning, nearly 1.6 lakh were reported in the previous 24 hours, a massive spike from the 27,553 7 days ago. Home Minister Amit Shah, Health Minister Dr. Mansukh Mandaviya, Home Secretary Ajay Kumar Bhalla, Cabinet Secretary Rajiv Gauba, and other top officials were present at the meeting. Rising COVID cases also come as 5 states, including Uttar Pradesh, India's most populous and where medical infrastructure is patchy, prepare to hold elections 30 days from today. Moving on to the next news, the Aam Aadmi Party has claimed the shocking death of democracy after a BJP leader, Municipal Councillor Sarabjit Kaur, was declared the winner of the mayoral race in Chandigarh yesterday, beating out the Aam Aadmi Party's Anju Katyal by 1 vote. Sarabjit Kaur and Anju Katyal both polled 14 out of 28 polled votes, but the former was declared the winner after 1 vote in favor of Anju Katyal was ruled to be invalid. Shocking death of democracy. District Collector illegally elected BJP's mayor despite AAP winning more seats. AAP senior leaders are waiting outside his office, but he now refuses to meet them, the Aam Aadmi Party tweeted Saturday. Moving on to the next news, counselling for medical admissions under the National Eligibility Entrance Test postgraduate NEET-PG will begin from Wednesday, Health Minister Mansukh Mandaviya said today. The announcement comes after the Supreme Court on Friday ended the stalemate over admissions to medical colleges by clearing new quotas. Over 45,000 junior doctors can now join the workforce after counselling, which comes as India fights a surge of COVID cases driven by the Omicron variant. NEET-PG counselling is being started by MCC from January 12, 2022, following the order of the Honorable Supreme Court, as assured by the Ministry of Health to the resident doctors. This will give more strength to the country in the fight against corona. My best wishes to all the candidates, the minister tweeted in Hindi. Moving on to the next news, more than 100 people have died in Kazakhstan in the wake of violent riots that have shaken Central Asia's largest country this week, media reported Sunday, citing the health ministry. The energy-rich nation of 19 million people has been rocked by a week of upheaval, with nearly 6,000, including a number of foreigners, detained over the unrest. At least 164 people were killed in the riots, including 103 in the largest city, Almaty, which saw some of the fiercest clashes between the protesters and police.